Welcome back to another self-care Sunday. As you can see, I decided to cook a nice soulful meal today. So I headed to the store today and picked up a few things, and I decided to cook some smothered turkey wings. Yes, I know it's not vegan, but we're gonna get back on track. So I boiled my turkey wings first. I know a lot of people don't, but I boiled mine. I soaked them before that in vinegar, and that's how I washed them. Of course, they had the drumsticks on them. I cut that part off, and I cut the turkey tip parts off because I don't like those. So I ended up soaking them, and then after I soaked them, I boiled them for a few minutes and letting them get a little bit softer because they take forever if you don't boil them. So that just helps bring the cooking time down. And I also made my own gravy using the turkey juice. As you can see, they came out really nice and brown. I threw in some potatoes. You guys didn't see that, but I threw some potatoes in there, just a few of them, just so I can eat it with my dinner. And I plated it up with some leftover collard greens I had. And I also didn't include the recipe or anything, but I just made me a simple little macaroni and cheese. It's more like fried macaroni. But this is how it turned out. It was really good. I'm not gonna hold you, it was busting. And it's time to watch some Netflix and chill. Bye.